How much money would you want your husband to really earn annually? To live the life you want, to eat, travel, hair, makeup, shopping, caring for family. Come on, give it to me. Don't hide it.
500,000.
All right. And what percentage of men earn that?
Huh. Very little.
What percent?
No. I mean, if you're talking all races, I would think.
I just said what percentage of men earn that?
Oh, maybe like what, 7% or something? Not 1%. 1%?
I mean, you're hard. I mean, I'm trying. I hate to break this to you, but
it's so easy to become a podcaster with Riverside. First, go to Riverside and.
Okay, let's get back to regular programming, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go.
I don't know why. Living in Texas, you should put it this way: 3% earn around 300,000 or more. 500,000 on the top. 1% of all men. And guess what? Men don't go and do what they have to do to become those kind of men. And what age do you think those men are when they're earning that kind of money?
40s.
Right. And what do men want who have fought in corporate America or fought in the work world for 20 plus years?